Okay, for this basic demo, we're going to simulate the logical functions of a microwave oven. And remember, we're in the run section of MicroBlocks. I've got it running, and just to make it easy, if you don't have real hardware, we're going to run Boardie. So anyone can run Boardie right from the Chrome browser. The way my microwave works is when I start, it's powered up. It's basically clear, it's reset, it's whatever you want to call it. So I'll just say clear, and if anything's on the display, I might as well, here's the LED display, I'm just going to say clear the display. And then the functions I have is the B button adds 30 seconds, the A is going to start heating. So I want to find my button control here. When A button, duplicate that. I want to do something for B button. And then for A plus B, I'm even going to pretend that the door is open. So we're going to have three functions here. When the A button press, let's just grab this say block again. I'm going to say something. Then I just use this as comments for all of my stuff so I know what's when I watch it run. And so this is going to be, I'll start heating. It's going to be add 30 seconds. And this is going to be door open. Probably stop heating. We'll do that logic later. And then I can begin to test my code. Like when I run start, it says clear. If I press A, it says start heating. B, add 30 seconds. A plus B, stop door open. But now I don't have really any code going on in Boardie yet. So let's do something like when I'm heating, I display the character H. And then maybe I wait, instead of 30 seconds, let's wait 30 divided by 10. So let's wait just 3,000 milliseconds, which is 3 seconds. And then to know that it's done, let's just display 0, like the timer's down to 0. And so if I press button A, I can test this code. It shows a H for heating, and when it waits 3 seconds, it displays character 0. Now for adding 30 seconds, probably what we could do is scroll the text. Whoops, that was hello Rosa plus 30. I accidentally, whenever you click on a set of blocks, they actually run. So now let's press B, it says plus 30. And then the final thing with the door open, what should we do? Let's display that some sort of display that makes it just a square, makes it look like the door is open. So the last thing we do is when A plus B, door open. That's our basic simulation.